Hello children, this is Pallavi teacher here from Ville Parle Mahila Sangh English Primary School. Children, I hope you all are safe, stay healthy, eat healthy, take care of yourself and your family members too. Children, today I am here to tell you about your favorite subject. I know you all love birds and animals, right? So try to tell your parents, those who go out for bringing some grocery or some other purpose, that they should put some food and water for the animals which are there on the road. Okay, they should, no one is there to feed them, so they should not remain hungry. And the next thing is, we are going to make a bird feeder today. In our EVS 1 we have learned that trees have been cut, and on those places buildings and towers are standing now, so the number of trees is falling down. Because of this, birds are not able to build their nest. And you must have seen or heard about sparrows. The house sparrow, which we used to find chirping on our window panes, is not to be seen. They are vanishing from the cities only because there are no more trees to build their nest. Plus, the mobile towers are causing serious issues to the health of these sparrows, and so they are dying and vanishing from our cities. Children, let's make something for them today. Okay, I need to take some bottles, empty cold drink bottles. You can take these bottles and you have to mark some, you can use your innovative ideas too along with your parents. And children, please, you need to take your parents guidance for this. Without their guidance you won't be able to do this, because it's the part of cutting where you need their help. Okay, decoration work you can do. You can see I've marked something here. You have to ask your parents to cut this much portion, and from this side you can see here you have to mark. I'll show you another bottle which I have already done, and I have already decorated it. Now you can see here I've cut this part of the bottle, opposite sides, and I've kept two sides like that only. You can see the space which is empty here, you can add water to that, and you have to tie a rope for hanging it and hang it out of your window. You can add grains or water in this, and you can make as many bird feeders as you can. I have tried one more pattern here, you can see here, and please try doing it along with the guidance of your parents and enjoy birds coming to your window pane. Be happy.